everyone. Today we're going to work on the letter W. I have my Handwriting Without Tears template mat. I have 4 big lines. I also have my blue template mat. Today we're going to work with Play-Dough, and we're also going to use a plastic knife. I also have my Play-Dough mat. And at the end, we're going to use Letter School. Okay, let's get started. So we know that W is a corner starting capital. So I'm going to find my smiley, and that's going to help me remember where I start. So on W, I'm going to use 4 big lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, W, big line, big line, big line, big line, W. Okay, let's try that again. My 4 pieces, they're all the same. Start at the corner, big line, big line, big line, big line, W. Great. Now let's try the blue mat. I'm going to take my 4 pieces and put our template aside. Let's try W again. Ready? Big line. You know, I start here, I go my smiley. It's not going to be straight. It's going to be tilted just a little bit. And I'm going to start down here. I'm going to do a match. Put big line. Back to the top. Big line. And I'm going to match again here. Big line. W. All right, let's do that one more time. So W's corner starting. Start at the corner right here with smiley. Big line. Big line. Big line. Big line. W. Okay, we're going to put our wooden pieces away. We're going to get ready for Play-Dough. I have my Play-Doh. And as I said, today we're going to use a plastic knife. And I also have my mat. So let's get our Play-Doh open. When we open our Play-Doh, we do squeeze and turn. Squeeze and turn. Remember how many wooden pieces we had? Let's see, this might help to remind us. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need 4 pieces of Play-Doh. 1, ooh, might be too big. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have my 4 pieces, and we're going to roll each one out at a time. I have my knife ready. Okay, so I'm going to roll out 1. Let's do another one. 2. I'm going to spread out my fingers and push. 3. 1 more. 4. All right, I have my pieces ready. We're not going to match them today. We're going to do something different. I'm going to take my knife. So hopefully you have a nice, safe plastic knife that you can use. And I'm going to hold it. I'm going to make my pointer go straight like this on the top of my knife. It makes my knife so much stronger. I'm going to hold my thumb in the side of my finger. And then we're going to give it a push and make a piece. And then I'm going to start matching. I'm going to make some pieces. I'm going to start right here where Smiley would be, right? In the corner. We're going to make pieces and then push and match. Push. Push. Check your finger. Make sure your finger's holding it. It's not going to be as strong. Make your fingers straight right here. Oh, I have my first big line finished. Working on my second big line. Push. Push. How are you doing with your knife? I hope this helps. Okay, so important to use a knife safely, right? All right, now we're gonna go down. Just saying, good foods that you can practice use a knife. Bananas would be a good one. Or hot dogs. Easy things to cut, get practice. Or Play-Doh. Play-Doh is a fun way to work with a knife. Get used to holding it. Make our fingers stronger. Almost finished. All right. We need a couple more pieces. Let's do 1, 2. I did it. I covered all of my W. Okay, let's put our Play-Doh away. We'll clean up and we'll get ready for letter school. Okay, we need to find W. It's in this line. Let's look. It's beside V. W.
This is the letter W for wagon.
Okay, I have to start in the corner right here, right? Big line. Big line. Big line. Big line. W. Corner start. Big line. Big line. Big line. Big line. W. Almost finished. Final stage. Corner start. Big line. Big line. Big line. Big line. W. Bye. Thanks for all your great work today. See you again.